Someone put facial recognition tech onto Meta's smart glasses to instantly dox strangers. These are some students from Harvard, and they built what big tech companies refuse to release publicly due to the overwhelming risks and danger involved. And these are smart glasses with facial recognition technology that automatically looks up someone's face and identifies them. And they went a step further because their customized glasses pull other information about their subjects from around the web, including their home address, phone number, and family members. The project is designed to raise awareness of what is possible with this technology, and the pair are not releasing their code, one of the creators told 404. They call the project Eye X-Ray, and it uses a pair of Meta's commercially available Ray-Ban smart glasses. In the demo, the pair say they were able to identify dozens of people without their knowledge, and in some cases, the data was not accurate and provided the wrong name. So it's not perfect, but the motivation was mainly because they thought it was interesting and it was cool. And when the pair started to show their project to others, a lot of people reacted that, oh, this is really cool. We can use this for networking. I can use this to play pranks on my friends and make funny videos. They also mentioned the potential for stalking. The researcher gave the example of some dude could just find some girl's home address on the train and just follow them home. Although the researchers haven't released the code for their project, they have demonstrated in a public setting that it is absolutely possible for someone to use mostly off-the-shelf products and services to build a pair of glasses that automatically dox people. So really creepy stuff. And in an accompanying Google Doc laying out the project, the pair say that Eye X-Ray uses PimEyes to look at people's faces, which is a facial recognition service, unlike Clearview, which is available to everybody. It has been used by researchers to identify January 6th rioters and stalkers to unmask sex workers. In a demonstration to 404 Media, the system worked by automatically visiting the PimEyes website, uploading a photo like a human user would, then rapidly opening the results URLs. The test did not work on the author because they previously reported that PimEyes blocks lookups of their face, because you can actually request a block on this website. So if you're concerned about specifically PimEyes, you can opt out, but be aware there probably are other tools and ways to bypass that. From there, they pretty much use this to scrape the information. They have a language learning model to infer the name, job, and other personal details. And they also use things like people searching websites for that kind of information. And it's all done automatically. And it includes a lot of personal information along the way. So when asked for comment, a Meta spokesperson wrote in an email that PimEyes facial recognition technology could be used with any camera, correct? In other words, this isn't something that only is possible because of Meta Ray-Bans. And if so, I think that's an important point to note in the piece. Of course, that ignores why the pair specifically chose to use Meta's Ray-Bans, because in passing, they look like just any other pair of glasses. The researchers said they decided on smart glasses when thinking of the creepiest way for a bad actor to use this string of different technologies, and the Meta spokesperson declined to comment further, but pointed to Meta's terms of service for Facebook View, which is the accompanying app for the glasses, which say that you have to use it in a safe, lawful, and respectful manner. And they do include a light that is designed to turn on when the device is filming, indicating to other people that they might be recorded. PimEyes told 404 Media in an email that we must state that the details provided are quite surprising. Our systems find websites that publish similar images, but is not designed to identify individuals either directly or indirectly. The only information our users receive is a list of sources where images with a high similarity rate to the search material are found. A lot of people are responsible for this being possible, and none of them want to just maybe come forward and say, yeah, this might be a problem that we should deal with. When you put all these maybe not so scary technologies together, you get something really scary. But some of these individually are still pretty creepy. So you get something really creepy when you put them all together.
So two things. First of all, for those of you who want to know more about facial recognition, I highly recommend Kashmir Hill's book, Your Face Belongs to Us. The other thing I wanted to point out, I just want to call out PimEyes real quick. I'm on their website and the headline says face search engine reverse image search. And then if you scroll down a little bit, how PimEyes can help you. PimEyes is an online face search engine that goes through the internet to find pictures containing given faces. PimEyes uses face recognition search technology to perform a reverse image search, find a face, and check where the image appeared online. Our face finder helps you find a face and protect your privacy. Facial recognition online systems allow you to search by image. PimEyes is a face picture search and photo search engine available for everyone. It is a great tool to audit copyright infringement. And it just keeps going from there. So I just have to call out PimEyes. This whole idea of like, oh, it's supposed to find similar faces, but not individuals. Your website very clearly says otherwise. So either you need to fix your website or you need to stop lying to 404. Take your pick. But to their defense, on the homepage, there is a red button that says opt out here if you keep scrolling down toward the bottom. So I will give them credit for that. It's not like a big, huge banner or anything, but it's certainly not like hidden under 12 different menus in the footer.
Thanks for watching this clip. It's actually taken from the Surveillance Report podcast, which is our full-length podcast where we talk about privacy and security news every single week. We post it on YouTube as a video. We also post it on PeerTube for those of you who don't like YouTube. And we also post it as an audio version that you can find on every major podcasting app, as well as just RSS. Check us out either here on the screen somewhere or at surveillancesupport.tech, and stay up to date out there so you can keep yourself and the people around you safe.